Kung gusto mong yumaman, kailangan mo munang baguhin ang daily habits mo. Ang yaman nagsisimula sa araw-araw mong ginagawa. Maraming tao ang gustong yumaman, pero iilan lang ang handang baguhin ang daily habits nila. Today, I'll share the 7 habits that make people rich. At baka, ito na ang turning point mo. Hindi mo kailangan gumising ng sobrang aga. Ang importante, may purpose ka pagising pa lang. Yung tipong alam mo kung ano ang goal mo for the day. Kasi ang mayaman hindi gumigising na bahala na, gumigising sila para manalo. Hindi mo mapapalaki ang pera na hindi mo binabantayan. The rich know where every peso goes. Kung hindi mo alam, malamang sa'yo, lumalabas ang pera nang hindi mo namamalayan. Start with a notebook or app. Simpla, pero life-changing. Kahit maliit, kahit 50 piso per day. Basta consistent. Because the rich don't wait for the perfect time. They start early, then let compound interest do the work. Ang sikreto? Not timing the market, but time in the market. Before yumaman sa wallet, yumaman muna sa utak. The rich read about business, mindset, investing. Kasi the more you know, the more you grow. Ignorance is expensive. Knowledge is free. Ito ang trap. Tumaas income ko, so dapat tumaas lifestyle ko. Wrong. The rich stay simple kahit may pera na. Kasi alam nilang, looks won't make you rich, but investments will. Hindi ka yayaman sa kakasave lang. You become rich by increasing your earning power. Skills, side hustles, promotions, businesses. Tipirin mo, pero dapat palaguin mo rin. Energy is contagious. If your friends treat money like a joke, chances are, magiging joke din finances mo. Surround yourself with people who dream big, work smart, and think long-term. Your environment shapes your future. So, alin sa 7 habits ang sisimulan mo today? Comment rich habits para makita ko kung sino ang seryoso. And don't forget to follow for more daily money and motivation content.